Palm trees. There are about 2600 species of palm trees, most of them living in tropical, subtropical, and warm temperate climates. Palms are one of the best known and most widely planted tree families. They have held an important role for humans throughout much of history. The tallest palm tree can grow up to 197 feet tall. The cocodamia palm tree has the largest seed of any plant on earth. Many common products and foods come from palms. Palm trees are from the kingdom Plantae. Their family and scientific name is Araceae. Their genus type is Areca. Their subfamilies are Aracoidea, Calamoidea, Saraxiloidea, Corifloidea, and Nyphoidea. The Araceae are a botanical family of perennial flowering plants in the monocot order Aracales. Their growth form can be climbers, shrubs, tree-like and stemless plants, all commonly known as palms. Those having a tree-like form are colloquially called palm trees. Habitat. Palms exhibit an enormous diversity in physical characteristics and inhabit nearly every type of habitat within their range, from rainforests to deserts. Most palm trees grow in the tropical and subtropical regions of the world. They occur from about 44° northern latitude to about 44° southern latitude. The dwarf palm, Chamaerops humilis, occurs in southern France. The Nicau Rhopalostylis sapida is a species of palm growing in New Zealand. Types of palm trees. There are three types of palm trees. Indoor palms. Example: Areca palm, Kentia palm, Parlor palm, Century palm, Pygmea date palm, cold hardy palms. Example: Chinese fan palm, needle palmetto, Pindo palm, palmetto tree, saw palmetto. Container palms. Example: fishtail palm, bottle palm, red feather palm, lipstick palm, windmill palm, diamond palm. Fruits. There are different types of fruits like dates, betel, nuts, and acai fruit all come from palm trees. For example, Pejibaye palm, coconut palm, date palm, Senegal palm, African oil palm, saw palmetto, jelly palm, betel nut palm. Leaves. Palm leaves are divided into two types. They are palmate and pinnate. Palm leaves with upright V-shaped leaflets are called induplicate, and those with inverted V-shape are called reduplicate. Palm wines. There are four types of palm wines in the Central and Southern Democratic Republic of the Congo. From the oil palms comes from Gassi, Daibando comes from Raffia palm, Cocati comes from coconut palm, and Mahusu comes from short palm, which grows in the savanna areas of western Banduru and Kasai provinces. In Tamil Nadu, there are two main types of kallu in states of Telangana and Andhra Pradesh, namely Dadi kallu from Todi palmera trees and Eetha kallu from silver date palms. Uses. Palm trees are among the most beneficial plants in tropical countries because of their wide geographical distribution and many uses. But the other uses for various types of palm tree fruits are for oil, biodiesel, wax, jelly, wine, and palm heart for salads. There are several advantages of palm trees. One advantage is that their leaves and branches are used to make roofs and other materials for using in homes. Moreover, their fruits are used as vegetables and for making sweet. Palm trees wood is pressed to extract oil for soft drinks, cooking, preservative, syrup, and soap. The wood fibers are used in hat, parquet flooring, and hammocks, and the wood itself is used to construct wicker furniture. In Tamil culture, the palmera tree, Panai Maram, is the official tree of Tamil Nadu. In Tamil culture, it is called Karpaha Dungu, a celestial tree, and is highly respected because all its parts can be used. The recently germinated seeds from fleshy spots below the surface which can be boiled and eaten as a fibrous nutritious food. When the fruit is tender, the kernel inside the hard shell is an edible jelly that is refreshing and rich in minerals. In ancient times, dried palm leaves were used to write manuscripts. Thank you. Grow trees and save earth.